Hello everyone. Sleep is not a luxury, it's your body's daily reset. Poor or insufficient sleep can lead to serious problems like heart disease and depression, diabetes, and even memory issues. If you snore loudly or feel tired during the day or struggle to fall asleep, you might have a sleep disorder, and it's more common than you think. Here are a few sleep hygiene tips to protect your health. Number one, avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and screen time before bed. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Number three, keep your bedroom dark, cool, and quiet. Consult a sleep specialist if you have a snore loudly or start breathing at night. See you later.